What are you doing?
Exactly what this piece of shit did. So she left. Oh, before
What?
she left,
What
she
are
said
you
the nice
doing?
thing. So to kind of cover over.
Why did you have to
her
move over
tracks
one
of being a
lane
piece
for?
of shit, being passive aggressive with me. Oh, sorry again for the wait. The physicians.
Who knows?
In this country, who that is their main thing is ayahuasca.
Oops.
Well, guess what? It's
Wrong
illegal.
way. Can't read the signs for some reason.
Like I said, preemptively get an injunction against them. So it's worth a try. It's worth a shot. They're going to keep doing it. So we'll see what happens.
No stop.
Well, Dan.
Although I don't know why the stop sign's here.
If you were at
There's nothing
all,
there.
As I know, a lot of older people.
So it's
often
understandable,
are,
but
worried about.
stop.
I don't think there's much to worry about with these guys. According to the survey
no
Center
stop.
on American
Lexus.
Life, Jen said, "Fasting from whiteness. This Lent, we build our worship life around the voices of Black people."
You can go and you can't go.
Well, that's Black and Indigenous and people.
Oh shit! I forgot my.
That's coming together. Yeah, that's what that is. But not to that.
Toyo turd, you got honked at. Really?
Okay, go to bed.
Come on, Nissan driver, come on. What are you doing? Wait. All that just to merge one lane? Oh, wait, what's he doing now? Oh, straight for that left turn lane. Okay. I knew he was up to something.
Kids, it's a surprise, so she didn't tell the kids. And my mother-in-law picks me up at the airport. She's like, the kids have no idea. They made sure the kids were out by the pool when I got there. So I go, they don't know. So I get there.
Left turn lane dash.
Go, open the sliding door, run out, and just dive in the pool. The kids are not in the pool. They're at the table, but don't. May 26th, I will be at Hilarity. No, I'm sorry. May 26th, Helium, not Hilarities. Sorry, let me repeat that. May 26th, I will be at Helium in Buffalo. That's Helium,
really?
Buffalo, New York. One show only. That's going to sell out. Get your tickets to that.
Exactly. A lot of people call.
Nope, no stop. No stop at all.
I mean,
Jeez, people.
Satisfying to then watch the Black witnesses just say, "Okay, great, thanks," and walk away, leaving the interviewee to replay the interaction in their nightmare.
Shorts, and then the next
Shorts and no hat. I finally gave you my hat. I felt so bad for you.
And then the next day it was hot and I wore pants. I mean, it was just a shit show. We're staying in a fucking house in the hot tub.
Which lane you going for?
So I tried to make that work. I mean, what are you gonna do?
Oh yeah.
You sure?
Is anything worse than that? Like fucking. But the sauna was nice. Sauna was
the shit. Wait till the next one. Hey, when's this second episode come out?
We're going to do a quick break. I'm going to let Paul know in like 20 minutes, so we start episode.
That was red light run.
Are all in your head, or that they somehow don't count or don't matter, and it can be incredibly painful. So I'm not going to sit here and tell you to be friends or not be friends.
Really? That's not how the right turn works here.
Well, thank you so kindly for listening to me, you all. This has been a wonderful
I very
conversation.
much appreciate your insights and
Left turn regret up there.
So thank you.
write it down, and she's going through everything, and she goes, do you smoke? And
Wheelie fun! Go wheelie!
Passive aggressive, because it's like you don't have the balls of the heart to just be like, come on, man, like that's not right, or like you don't have so you're just gonna kind of for your own self do
What
that
are you
and
doing?
see if the person could catch on. It's like, nah.
How hard is it to pull into a parking spot? Come on.
17 airplanes. I've been on 17 airplanes in the last 7 weeks. All those cities that I mentioned before. And I'm a comic, so I'm up at night. And you just want to sleep.
Seriously?
And relax when you can. But last night I went to bed.
It's
pretty
not
early,
that complicated here.
And I woke up today and I did so much. saw.
Come on.
I did shit around the house. I ran some errands. I did some stuff with the dog.
You can do it.
We went for this walk. I took care of things that I needed to take care of. I had to take care of some stuff with the car. All these different things. And I'm like, oh my God, it must be like 3, 4 o'clock. And it was like 1. And I was like, oh no, this is what normal people saying it affects his performance more than if he sleeps less. The daily routine. What time? What time does this kid go to bed? He gets about 6 hours. What time does he go to bed?
Really?
Let's see. The thing.
No stop.
With my left arm behind my back, my right arm, I have to give it a little bit of help to get it up there.
Red light,
It's not
run.
quite there, but I just.
Pedestrian, pedestrian. I'm going to include that.
Yeah, for me, and just memories of that era of my life.
No stop.
Like a clueless, horny teenager. Our democracy of society really is dependent on people being informed and being able to.
What lane do you want, limo driver?
I don't mean educated in a formal sense. I mean,
It's okay! I'm a limo driver!
tools to have those conversations are so lacking in our culture. People are going to
Really?
continue to suffer. Is the way that I'm.
Yeah, well, and even as people make up those critical thinking skills and develop those later on in life, there are meaningful knowledge gaps to be overcome. You know, I pointed out on the show before that
Made it all the way through a master's degree in.
All right, we got some very sexy looking intersection blockers here. Holy shit, really?
in our hearts. That doesn't seem like a very verifiable methodology to me. It just kind of feels like
most of my thinking is my brain and not my heart.
Of course.
strangest thing that she talked.
It gets harder in the sense that it's like harder on the soul. And I have been struggling with like depression.
You can
like,
go now.
anxiety.
You can go now. You can go now. Oh, there you go. You figured it out. I'm pretty sure the green lights work the same way wherever you're from. It's not that much different here. Trust me, I know.
Gave me a lot of doubts. So maybe I'm just playing pretend, you know.
Really?
And let me normalize that for you just a little bit.
And that's what I have been trying to do since I first started questioning my gender identity and saying, wow,
Red light, run.
I feel.
You got the people. Yeah, can I get a fuck? There's 2 levels more. So there's black, then there's very, very little.
Exit regret up there, that trailer
and then you
thing.
got okay? This is how it works. It's very simple. You're a great server. You're good to me. You're good to my people. You're
I was
getting
ahead of
cash.
you.
That's it.
Mini
If you're the
pooper.
opposite,
Has that been proven yet? Is Jesus white?
Nope.
I wonder if he's
Mustang.
About what we're seeing in white nationalism right now, what we're seeing in legislatures, all of these things going on with the debates about CRT and HRT and all of this madness. And I guess what I'm hoping we can
Nice
try
cut off
and
and
get tonight,
exit
Kenneth,
dive-ish.
is what the fuck is
I'll
going
call
on?
it that.
The room is fun.
No trucks in the left lane. No, no, no. You cannot be there. If we're in Connecticut and it's a twofer, there is no truck in the left lane law in Nevada, so it's perfectly okay here. But if we're in Connecticut, it's a big no-no. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. I sure did. I love my time here so far. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Yay! Okay, bye. Bye, Las Vegas.